Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to go ahead and unbox and review and show you a small tutorial of a new device which I have bought today. So what is this device? You'll be wondering. It's nothing but an AirTag, but not an AirTag. It's from Portronics World Tag, which you will be getting for just 499 rupees if you want on Zepto or anything which you can go ahead and order. This is the cheapest AirTag you will get for your iPhone. Anyone who's using an iOS and needs an AirTag, go for this. So let me go ahead and unbox this and show you one by one what are the features of this and how you can go ahead and connect it. So let's switch to the secondary camera over here. Okay. So we'll be using our iPhone over here. This is iPhone 17. I will be doing a review on this soon. So this is the Portronics World Tag, the smart smallest item finder. It is MFI certified product for your Apple safety. It is lightweight, up to 1 year battery life in it, and it has 20-meter buzzer alert, left behind alert, and it also works only with iOS, as you know. So if you see behind this, it will be giving all the details of this and warranty. You can go ahead and scan from here. It says 1499, but trust me, it's not that much. So we do need to open this. So we will go to our trusty knife over here and just tear it open from here. Let's see if that worked, or else I'll get a scissor for this. So it did work. So we just need to cut this open completely to unbox this, because this will be coming from the back side. So we got our world tag out. There's something else also in this, so let me just cut it open fully. So this is the empty packet, so let's throw this aside because we do not need this. So now inside this small compartment you have a rope for your AirTag, that's it, and you have a tutorial type pamphlet where find my Apple, add your world tag, locate your world tag, notifications, getting started. So what it says is once you go ahead and power this on, it'll start. But for that, first we need to take out the plastic from this, because that preserves the battery of this. So let me quickly go ahead and take this off. As you see, once I take this off, the battery is activated. So it is a just a small, very small to be said. Let me get you closer to this so you will be able to see a little bit at least. So it's a small world tag over here by Portronics. So let me go to my iPhone also over here. So okay guys, I'll show you how I came to this page first. Go to Siri, open Find My. So this will open this page for you on your iPhone. You don't have to do much. Now go ahead and search for other item. Keep your Portronics tag next to it. It'll start searching and it'll come as a world tag over here. That's all you have to do. Now connect to the world tag. Enter it as whatever you want. Like I'll just go ahead and put my name as Kamal over here. Kamal add tag. You can go ahead and put any of your smileys or anything. So I'll just put a smiley also for this. Continue. So it will give me a phone number and everything over here. So you will agree for that, and and you will finish the setup. So view this item on map, have to navigate, play sound, lost mode, allow others to locate your item and find mine. Okay, now finish this. So now it will give you the settings. Okay, I will just blur this off because there are some details over here. So now go ahead and play a sound. So it is playing, and it will show you the direction over here. For example, I am in electric, so allow to improve maps. So it will show you the direction also. It's showing me the exact direction. My address is there, so I'm not showing you this, but that's how it will show. Now go back, go to find my, and you do also can add a person onto this to show this. So notify when found, you can switch it on or off. Notify when left behind. So we will go ahead and turn this off. No, we will keep this on. And there are some locations which we have to mention over here, so it will not notify you from that because these are the location where you're always going to be. So that you have to add according to your wishes. And then it will give you the serial number, uptake, firmware. So now you can go ahead and change your settings according to your needs. So my address pops up over here and this world tag works well. So in case you want to go ahead and check it again, I'll make you hear to the sound again over here. So I'll get the mic closer for you to hear to this. Let me go to the main cam. So as you can see, this is the Portronics world tag. I'm just going to keep this next to the mic so that you can hear the sound of this. So I'm just keeping it a little bit down. So if you could hear this. So this is loud enough for you. You can go ahead and put your keys over here. You can go ahead and keep it on your wallet and anything you want. So it's as good as that. So now, in case you were wondering how much it charged me, it just charged me about $4.99 as I told you in the beginning of the video. And this is an AirTag and it works. And it's compatible with your iPhone also. So in case you need a link for that, please do go ahead and like and subscribe for the video. And just mention a comment down that you need a link where to go ahead and buy this for. I will go ahead and put the link down. And that's it. And this has a range. Let me just check the range for this for you. I'm just checking the range. Yes, it has a 1 year battery life, as I told you, or if I got to tell you. And this one you can find it in any new place if you leave behind, if you're putting your keys or anything on it. Okay. Until next time, you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog. Do like and subscribe. Ciao.